Nice.
Oh.
Wait, is that food?
Well, I'll just keep it in there.
These are our new birds. They're budgies. Budgies. And they're
Payı minsan yapmak yani çiva na. There's a camera.
right there. It's just standing there.
Hi, Budgie. Coochie.
Instead of buddy, it should
Maybe
be
Dad should come up with a name.
Manners.
Anarchy.
I might name mine Kevin.
Kevin. But what if it's a girl, Reese?
I don't know. No, mine is a boy. It's Kevin.
How do you know it's a boy? So it's not 100%. Remember what she said?
When I say it's Kevin,
Now stand here. Picture.
selfie. No selfies.
Oh, selfie with the bird.
No. I don't want a selfie. I'm going in first. I'm a spoiler.
I'm just gonna watch these birds. They only have each other. That's why they're
Stanley.
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 Mom is staring at the
Okay,
camera.
I want mine to be Stanley now.
Okay.
Reese, yours
Mine
was
Stanley.
Reese, yours was staring at.
Stanley.
Good shit.
Stanley. Hi, Stanley.
Stanley.
Helen.
Helen.
Stanley.
Helen and Stanley.
Helen.
And Helen
The
and
ropers.
Stanley. Brendan's is Helen, mine is Stanley.
Okay.
Reese, you don't even know they're boys.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it opened its mouth.
I'm
Stanley.
Stanley.
Whistle noise.
They're not puppies.
Dad, they're not dogs. They're not dogs, Dad. Just throw some stuffy inside. They start running around.
Wait, more days in Donna. Basta ipit naman together.
Dad, you scaring them?
Basta. Oh.
I sure want to touch one.
Oh, touch it. Just put your hand in it.
Let's get a bite.
Just keep your hands still.
Don't
Keep it
scare
still,
them.
don't scare them.
They might try to opening the run, Dad. Alright, wait, this is so close.
It'll take time for them to trust you, Matsi.
Slowly.
Mom, give me some food in my hand. I want to hand feed mine.
Same.
Not yet. Eventually they will. You can feed them your apple.
Why don't you go get some apples?
Not right away.
Oh, mine's running. Mine's climbing.
That's what I want them to do.
Oh, you're trying to teach them to climb?
To climb, yeah.
Oh, there.
Oh, they're starting.
Oh,
Ooh,
jumped
nice.
on my finger.
It jumped halfway on your finger. Mine
I
is
don't want to touch it.
spider bird.
There we go. That's me. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. That's nice,
There
Dad.
you go. Eh?
Oh, nice, Dad.
There we go.
Came. Well, that's
That's
nice.
what I want them to do. That's why I want them up.
Well, why don't they go on the little one?
They'll go. They'll go.
They'll go.
Oh, mine's thinking
They'll
of.
get explore the cage.
I think mine's thinking of jumping.
Oh, They can still reach.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll fly it.
That's how they will. That's.
I'll find a place to sleep.
Yeah, we have a place up there.
You a cover at night.
Yeah, we have one right
You
here.
cover
We're all
them.
prepared.
Yeah, you cover them up fire so they don't.
Every
Oh,
2
mine-
months ka keep
Dad, try and make mine jump.
Sorry, you could just Google it on YouTube it down and
Dad.
trim it.
Oh my god.
Oh, mine jump.
I say. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, there you go.
There's one little one right there.
Yeah, I'll find it.
Yeah, they'll find it eventually. Oh, mine's. I think mine's mad.
Stanley.
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 Stanley's a bird.
Jessica went to that
Helen.
video and I Jessica. Jessica.
Bracelet's bird is already a hunchback.
Okay. Stanley. Stanley. Helen.
Helen.
Helen. Stanley. Stanley. Hi.
What's this for?
Helen.
What's this for?
Helen. I want to hand feed it. I didn't want to hold food for it.
They didn't drink their water yet.
Yeah, they'll find it.
They'll find it eventually. Do you think we should have made the food come lower a bit?
No, they'll find it.
Yeah, it's only right
Just
there.
scatter them around.
Well, they must be getting used to it.
Stanley, please. Go up here. I'm going for mine.
Bracelet's bird is a hunchback.
How?
Look at his back.
They're nice.
I know.
I'm gonna have birds too once I have one in the kitchen. I need to make that hatch thing look nice. And then I seen 133 tagas sa ganito. Precis tigan finches but those ones with the nail, they're like parrots, colors, different colors. Purple. Okay. Okay, me naman siya.
Stanley.
Okay, na. Diba siya ito na?
Helen.
Like their next that's what's that thing.
Helen.
Okay,
Stanley.
you get attached to you.
Hi.
I feel like
Hi.
it's not a parrot,
Hi.
Dad. It's a bungee.
Hi.
Oh wait, I forgot the name.
Hi.
It's a budgie.
Hi. Say hi.
I feel like they're gonna like you more.
Hi.
Hi.
Dad, I feel like they're gonna like you more than me and Brace.
Well, yeah, you gotta be sociable, yeah. You gotta be nice to them.
Hi, Ellen.
Hi.
That's why I want to hand feed it right now.
Hi.
Wait 4 days
Stanley.
and then you can have
I'll just hold food for
and
it.
they'll start bringing them out of
Mom.
their cages.
Oh, I meant by
An hour each time, I think. You
that
can
bad?
bring it out, yeah. Because they're not gonna fly much, okay?
They can only glide.
Yeah. Well, Missy says it on the floor and they'll do that, Missy.
They're all quiet.
I know.
It's their first time here.
Day one.
They'll get louder. They'll get used to it.
I'm gonna have some fried steaks.
No.
Really, Dad? Get out of here, Dad.
Stanley.
Get out of here, Dad.
Hi. Say hi.
Oh, Dad's just trying to gain their trust
Say
to meet them.
hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Helen.
Stanley. Say hi.
Wait, I'm just gonna put some bird noises on my PS.
Stanley. Say hi. Say hi.
For the dead.
Stanley. Say hi. Stanley. Stay high.
Stay high.
Stay high. Wait, put on like pew sounds. Stanley, say hi. Stanley, say hi. Stanley, say hi.
Helen. Helen.
What if it goes on? Say hi.
Breeze. Do you want me to put food on your hand and you can put your hand in?
No, we can't do that.
No, Mom means by grabbing it and putting food in his mouth.
He said.
Mom. I need something to put my food in. My bird's blue and my brother's is green.
Stanley, say hi. Say hi. Stanley. Stanley, say hi. Say hi. Stanley, say hi. Say hi.
Stay high.
Stanley, say hi.
Must be wondering who you are. You're like, who's this? Oh my god. No!
What's boiled eggs?
Did you forget what that was?
Is it like those randoms? No! No!
I'm scared of them. Fine, mine's
I'm
nice.
Charlie. Make mine. I'm trying to make mine.
Breeze, quit shaking it.
I'm not shaking it.
Quit lying.
Stanley, say hi.
This thing's
Say
Radley.
hi. Stanley, say hi. Stanley. Stanley.
We dropped the bottle.
Stanley, back. Stanley.
Breeze,
Say hi.
just let him stay for a bit.